I know I'm getting older, so I'm gonna have to start doing transition clinics at the hospital, and kinda scared about that because the adult world can be a challenge in a way.
Sick kids, they take care of you a lot, and leaving sick kids be a hard experience for me. That's my only worry.
It's just really scary because I spent so much time at sick kids, and going to the adult world will be a big change from everything that I know so far.
I gotta learn how to go and get my own meds because I make my parents get my meds.
In the adult world, you have to show up to your appointments on time or 20 minutes early, and
They know what they're doing. It'll just be a new team. I'm not too worried about it. I'll definitely miss the people here, but then I'll be able to see them outside the hospital instead of in clinic.
You have to be able to voice what you've been feeling or what's been going on with you. And you are allowed to say, like, I want my mom there, I want this person there, but you have to be able to speak for yourself.
Thoughts that come into mind at the moment is probably health benefits right now, just because things aren't going over too well right now, and once I turn 18 I don't have any health benefits and gotta figure that stuff out. So once that happens, hopefully things will be good.
Ways that I'm preparing to go to the adult world is getting a 3-line history, and that's what the youth med specialist said the biggest thing is the 3-line summary of what's wrong with you and your transplant. So like the first sentence would be what meds you're on, and then the second sentence would be what you were diagnosed with, and then the third sentence would be your transplant line. So it's the 3-sentence summary of everything that happened. Another way I'm preparing for it is just knowing all my meds by reading over them once at home. And every time I go to an appointment, I make sure I know my meds before I go.